Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, guys. So these cards are for your daily energy, Capricorn. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck, guys, and I'll be picking more cards from the other deck for your career situation and your love energy. So 1 card each. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your love energy. We will keep these cards aside, and 1 card from the Rumi Oracle Guidance. So these cards are based on poet Rumi's Oracle, guys. So let us see. We will turn the cards as we proceed, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first. So for your daily energies, Capricorn, Death in reverse, the Devil in reverse, 8 of Moons. Capricorn, with these cards for your daily energy, guys, it may relate to your career situation or your personal life. So you are seeing some struggles or obstacles in your situation today. Some things, maybe whatever work or efforts that you're putting in, it's not giving you the expected result. Some kind of stagnation you may feel in your situation today, and your efforts you may feel are not bringing in that results, guys, and some kind of stress and troubles. But whatever sadness or stress or worries that you are having, you are going to see the end of it, guys. That is also the energy here. So you have optimism in your heart. You are feeling that strength and courage to deal with your situation today, and you have that conviction to overcome all these troubles in your situation. And you may see that certain new changes are coming your way. Some kind of transition is coming your way in your work or in your personal life. You may be changing your workplace, or you may be starting a new relationship, guys. So that is also the energy here. Something new, or for some of you, you may be moving out to a different city or state for work and taking up a new job. Some move is there, some kind of travel. Maybe for some of you, it may be travel for work, or it may be travel as in a holiday, guys. So that is what I see. And maybe for some of you, it may even be a spiritual journey, guys. You want you are looking for some something for peace of mind and happiness, or you want to move towards spirituality. Maybe you are a follower of some kind of faith, or you have some kind of belief, and you are taking up travel for that, guys, for that faith, or to some places to visit or something like that. That is what I see here, guys. And in your heart of hearts, you may feel that things are not going in a particular way. That certainty is not there. Whatever it is, guys, whatever stress or concerns that you may have, but there are certain positives that you may be seeing, guys. Some changes are surely happening in your life. That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is 8 of Swords in reverse, Capricorn. So with this card, Capricorn, in your career situation, you may be seeing some difficulties or obstacles, guys, and maybe you may see some unforeseen things, maybe someone leaving that job, someone very crucial to you in your work situation. They may leave you all of a sudden. Maybe they are going to another place for work or moving to a different city. So some kind of troubles or stressful situations are there in your situation, and maybe there are people who are working against you, guys. You need to be really careful. They don't have good intentions on you. So that is also the energy with this card for your career situation, Capricorn. So what is the card for your relationship, guys? So we will turn the card. It's Six of Pentacles. So with this card, in this relationship, you both have that trust and understanding, love, and you both depend on each other for support. You have that reliability and trust on each other, guys, and things are going in a very happy way. Maybe for some of you there may be also financial dependency, guys. So that may be the reason for stress for some of you, but other than that, I see here that you have that happiness and understanding in this connection, guys. That is what this card is about, Capricorn, and that is for your daily reading, guys. So with that oracle guidance, the Rumi oracle. So these cards are just a guidance, guys. These cards may or may not relate to our situation, but it is a general guidance that we can follow to make things go in a better way, guys. So let us see what is the card. Celestial Rose of Ma. With this card, guys, the oracle's guidance for you in your situation today is that a rose comes with thorns. So when you are willing to deal with the thorns, you will enjoy the beauty and that fragrance of that rose. So your thorns may be the love that you want to let go now, or something of your past, a haunted past maybe, guys, jealousy or fear, whatever it is that is troubling you. All that are the thorns that are the points of pain for us. So when we let go of that and live in the present, we will be able to enjoy that rose, that fragrance that is there right in front of us, guys. And that is life, that is the gift of the present. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you need to let go of your past, Capricorn, to enjoy that new relationship that is coming towards us in this life. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.